Hello, my name is Stefan Grüll. I'm the founder and CEO of the company S1Seven. Our platform digitizes quality certificates to capitalize the value of traceable material data. I'm 43 years old and half of my life I've been working in steel distribution, working with the key European suppliers, but also with many of the steel processing sectors, like the mechanical and plant engineering sector, the automotive industry, and steel construction companies. These companies today are facing the problem that material data is still handled on paper, non-machine readable. And of course, this is related to a number of problems, not prone to human errors, and looking into the future, when next to quality data, we also have to provide transparency on a material's carbon footprint, so companies can assess Scope 3 emissions of their material supplies. This has to change. We are replacing paper-based documents with tamper-proof machine-readable records, providing the industry data schemas for machine-readable documents, replacing what today is stamp and signature with blockchain technology, and connecting supply chain partners on a single platform using APIs. The benefits of this solution are on the computability of the machine-readable data. So this means immediate savings, process automatization, whenever goods are received and have to be checked against reference standards or customer specifications. At each step, at each supply chain partner, it is possible to check and verify the integrity of the data and also the authenticity of the issuing party. And in that way, we can also provide full traceability and an incorruptible proof of the material's sustainability footprint. The advantage for a producer is that with our technology, with one single process change, he can connect to all his affiliated companies. The data can then be used in other third-party systems to create additional benefits. Our business model is very straightforward. A receiver of certificates will in future get the PDF document as it used to be for free, and those companies who want on top of it the machine readable version have to sign up to one of our paid subscriptions. We have been working with some leading companies in Europe, doing pilots and now preparing for rollout. With this first customer traction, we are now seeking for POC partners to launch in Japan. If you are interested, please contact us either via the accelerator program or via our website.